is up, Humanoid Nation? This is Humanoid coming at you with another video reaction. This time it's by a new video that I was asked to react to a while back. It's the channel the Hugh Wolf Totem official music video. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into, but sure, I like to find some new music here and there. So without further ado, let's do this. Oh, they got some Viking style music going on here. Okay. The Hugh band. All right. Damn, that's some nice scenery. Where is this? Getting some medieval times time thing here. The Hugh band. That's a good way of starting a video, coming in with a horse. Show how badass you are. The Wolf Totem. Ooh, motorcycle. Let's go. Sons of Anarchy. God, I can't talk. Damn! Look at that shot. I mean, it was a horse and your whole squad behind you on bikes. That's so not badass. A drum beat solo. Ooh, I like it. Oh my God, what the hell? I need to, this sounds like a haka dance ritual, like just prepare for battle type shit. God damn, this is so good. I don't know if they're speaking English, but whatever. Oh, hold on. Okay. Ooh. Tigers come fighting back. Holy crap! Yeah, this feels so good. What is this? Samoan, New Zealand? This is some fight music right here. I feel like punching someone in the face. I'm way out of tempo here. Damn right you will. Damn. Those of us will hang the rabbit heaven. To the death. Damn. That's so good. Riding off like badasses. I'm sorry, they're not Samoan then. Great con. Okay. You know what? I love this guy right here. He's just grooving to the music and just loving it. Oh, my head hurts. God. Oh, shit. And the adrenaline in me. I'm getting an adrenaline rush just by this song. Okay, I think I found my new favorite band. God damn. Yeah. Chinese, Japanese, what is this? Korean? Please let me know. Follow the Hue on Spotify, Instagram, Facebook. Ooh, nice. Anyway, first, subscribe to these guys. Let's go. What language is this? From Iron Maiden, badass. Yeah. Yeah, someone tell me, are they Chinese, Japanese, Korean? I'm so sorry, but god damn. This is good. Holy crap. All right. I need more of this. I need more. Anyway, that's it for now. Humanoid Nation, Humanoid out. Bye.
Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando.